Good morning and welcome to Weebly. I'm Ms. Thompson. This is room 97. We are comprised of two different math groups. There's a gold team and a purple team. This is our lovely website, and I want to show you how to maneuver around the website so that you can check out what we're doing in class. Let's begin. Again, this is RMS room 97. This is a blurred picture of everyone within the MD unit. Um, Next, we have what we're learning the fourth and final grading period of the school year. If you'll notice, sixth grade, seventh grade, and eighth grade are all looking at geometry, 2D and 3D measurements for sixth graders, scale drawings, 3D figures, and geometric construction for seventh graders, as well as volumes, cones, spheres, and geometric relationships for those in eighth grade. We are beginning our day with a handy dandy warm up in today's meet. Here is a posted video about the website. If you click on here, you will see me give a talk about our today's meet and how class is run. Below, you will find our objectives and standards, and anything in green you can click on and it will take you to a website. Any green link will take you right to the link associated with it. So this is Smart Exchange. This is where I get a lot of our lesson plans from, and I do adapt them and make modifications for our students. These are interactive and on my whiteboard in our classroom or our smart board. You can also click to preview, and it will let you glance through the slides to take a look at lessons. Here, area is some things will not load. Area equals base times height, which is some of the measuring that is required for the students to learn how to do. Building rectangles using unit squares. We have those within our classroom. So you can come here and the area of a rectangle is length times width. So you can come here and look through these and get a glance of what the kids are actually learning within the classroom. Um, the interactive lesson plan. So you can kind of peek through these. You won't actually see the one that I've adapted, but you will get a chance to check out the ones that are available on Smart Exchange. Next, let's go back and take a look at a couple of assignments. So there are some assignments that are just basic rectangle area. So we're multiplying, length times width, and students are putting the answers here. There's a handy dandy cheat sheet below. So if you want to check their answers, if they do this for homework, there's the answer key for your convenience as well. I don't know why I whispered they're not in here. Next on the website, let me go back up. If you go to lesson plans, you'll be able to see what we did beginning when we first came back after spring break. There are, again, today's meet. You'll want to visit here and you'll be able to see the questions that I asked the students. So I kind of put things in during spring break and they answered the questions here. So this is good for you to review as well. Also, for those who need the adaptation, immediate feedback, and geometry on a geometry on an adapted scale. This provides real-world examples. Students are reinforcing the concept. They hear cube, they drag it to the they cone, cylinder, I'm sorry. Cylinder. Cone, since I was so excited about the ice cream picture. And triangle. Triangle. And they may say rhombus or diamond. Either one is allowed. Rhombus. And circle. After the students successfully complete this, they are celebrated. Circle. So for students who do need that visual, that audio, as well as an adapted version of what we're doing, there's that opportunity for them as well. And 3D shapes again from Smart Exchange is the lesson. So everything starts up top. If you just hover over the word, it will give you the drop down menu. This is when we did our restaurant unit, and Miss Burt's class served us. Their room was called Burt's Breakfast Bistro. Her class served us, and this is their restaurant in action. And then we served Miss Burt's class, and we were called the Breakfast Barn. And these are just a few pictures. This was what our door looked like. This is our menu. Here were our mean chefs in the kitchen and our servers. And we also, our cashiers did not get shot picture on here, and our greeter as well, who greeted our students and welcomed them and seated them and those kinds of things. So you hover over anything up here, it will take you to the day of the week that we are on. It will take you to the lesson. Learning, these were flat nets. They were 2D shapes. The students constructed them and made them 3D. We did do an investigating the shapes around the classroom. They got to investigate these awesome shapes. Fourth period, the purple team, I believe, investigated the 2D shapes. Gold team investigated the red shapes. Um, we learned about 1 dimension, 2 dimension, as well as 3 dimension. A lot of neat things within this website. The opportunity for kids to manipulate, the opportunity for them to actually turn the prism, count the faces, count the edges and the vertices. So these are the kind of things that we're doing within our classroom. Let me go back up to the top. This week is where we are now. Let's see, week 2. Actually, I just added week 3, and it doesn't appear to be showing up. Yeah, that's week 2. Okay, due to technical difficulties, my week 3, which I just started, is not appearing. I will update my website once I've completed it because I'm currently working on lessons. So I'll update the website and you'll be able to see what we're working on this week. All right, well, thank you for visiting the web page. There will also be a link here that says review. And if you would take time to complete the simple review, what you think of the website, if your student likes it, ask them what they think. I would greatly appreciate any feedback that you would give. Thank you so much.